Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Chase Eagles coming to you live from Asia, guys. This will freaking shock you guys. We're going to be talking about what the heck is going on with cryptocurrency, what the heck is going on with Gary Gensler, and will Gary Gensler get slam dunked by Congress, guys? We're going to be talking about that and much, much more. And what is going on with Dogecoin? It looks like Elon Musk had a huge tweet for Doge, and that is why Doge is spiking, guys. So let's get in content without any further delay, guys. Don't forget to go back and watch all my other previous videos, guys, and don't forget to share, like, smash the like, show you that you're human. And remember, all this is financial advice, guys. So what is going on with the U.S. markets yesterday? We did see that the U.S. markets yesterday were pretty much okay. We saw that the Nasdaq, the Dow, and the Dow Jones was up as well. So not too bad, not too shabby, but kind of neutral. What can we expect? What can we expect next week for crypto market? We can expect more of the same kind of range boundness. You know, as Gary Gensler goes nuts and he's suing everybody. You know, Gary Gensler. But I think that he's going to have his up and comings pretty soon, and Gary is going to be in trouble. And here's why. Here's freaking why. Looks like crypto tokens plunged this week after Gensler stepped up SEC crackdown. So as you guys know, the Binance native coin tumbled. It just tumbled, along with several other currencies, particularly like Cardano. He's going after Cardano, Binance as well. So, you know, and I believe that, you know, one of the reasons that we got Gary doing this is because, remember, Gary worked for Goldman Sachs for a very long time. And I think the banks have kind of like whispered in Gary's ear and said, hey, you know, this whole crypto thing, it's not good for us. We're losing money, so you got to do something about it. So that's one of the reasons that he's cracking down. And also, I believe that, you know, he's trying to pave the way for the U.S. CBDC. And nobody out there wants to forget CBDC. So I think that's what's going on. You know, it could be some kind of political agenda as well. Also, banks in the U.S. are cutting off all of Binance access to U.S. banking system. So that means, what does that mean for you and me out there? If you're a Binance holder in the U.S., what it means is that your off-ramp and on-ramp of U.S. fiat currency is going to be stopped. And that's going to happen on June 13th. So if you're holding any Binance and you plan to get some USD out of there, you better freaking do it right now. But other than that, the exchange is still working as normal. I mean, you can still send crypto to Binance. I believe, you know, right now, Coinbase, Kraken, they're still okay as well out there. So you can still fiat off-ramp. But could this be the tell? Could this be the tell that we're going to see more and more banks cutting off the on-ramps and off-ramps? Remember, we had that big Silvergate Bank as well that went bankrupt. Remember, it went down into receivership because, remember, they were also a big on-ramping bank, a very crypto-friendly bank. So this could be more of the same kind of, let's do it. I got to get my coffee. Let's kill crypto in the U.S., guys. But you know, we're seeing that a lot of people in Congress are not happy right now. We're seeing that a lot of people in Congress are actually not happy with what Gensler's doing, and they're saying that he's overstepping, that he is in fact, you know, out of control. Looks like Robinhood delists Solana, Polygon, Cardano because of the SEC lawsuit, so they're running scared right now as well. So that's kind of interesting. We're seeing that also right now, the SPX and the S&P 500. While everyone's busy with market crash predictions, guess what? S&P broke out of its trend line with a clean bullish retest and is now on the rise. So that is pretty good. We did see something last year around the summertime as well for the SPX and S&P 500 did pump, but it did retrace down to the downside. So what's going on this week in terms of huge announcement? Well, we're going to talk about that. But here's the thing. You know, like I said, Gensler is being accused of being in complete contempt of Congress, and because of this crackdown on Coinbase. So a lot of people in Congress are like, Gary, what are you doing? You know, you're stopping innovation, and we're seeing that, you know, a lot of people in Congress are in fact trying to build a regulatory framework in the U.S., but it just seems that you know, there's a growing sense in Congress and among former regulators that SEC Gary Gensler has bit off more than he can chew, and is undermining congressional efforts to regulate this digital asset industry. So that is not good. You know, and in his view, this is from Taurus. He said that Mr. Gensler has gone from a crypto cheerleader to crypto skeptic. Remember, when he was at MIT, he was teaching about blockchain. He liked crypto, and now he's portraying, you know, Gary is portraying crypto as a villain in order to portray himself as a political hero. So, you know, People are happy, and this is the Democrats and Republicans are both not happy about what Gary is doing because Gary is freaking overstepping. I think he's bit off too much more than he can chew. We're seeing right now that the fear and greed index is neutral, still neutral. It's down from yesterday with a 50. Yesterday is at 49, so not good, but still a good time to buy. What's crypto looking like from the heat map? Well, the heat map looking pretty stinky out there. It's looking like a smoking turd out there. Not looking too good at all. But this is expected. A little bit of choppy chop. What the market's doing right now? We're seeing the total market cap right now is down 0.41%. So it's going to be a quiet weekend. I don't expect much happening. I don't see any reversal. I just think people are just kind of like, oh my God, let's take a break. Gary. So Gary's been the big reason why we're here today, why we're feeling the pain today. We're seeing Bitcoin right now is at 26.4. Ethereum is just above $1,800. Everything's kind of neutral out there. The big winner today is Dogecoin. We're going to be talking about what Dogecoin is pumping, Dogecoin 111. And guys, if you love this channel like I love you guys, smash the likes. Go down there, it looks like a heart mark. Give a super thanks, support the channel. I appreciate that. I would appreciate it. What else is coming in announcement-wise? Don't forget, in 4 days, we got the FOMC meeting. That's going to determine if there's going to be rate hikes or not. I don't think it is. 70% are saying not. But the 25 basis point crowd out there, it's actually at 30%. So it's actually building up a little bit. So that could be scary. That could be scary. Announcement-wise, CPI is coming on Tuesday. Get ready for that. Buckle up. DXY, it's down, but it's coming back up. We definitely need a DXY to be going well below this area. We need it to go well below the 99-cent area. Bitcoin, what's going on with Bitcoin right now? Bitcoin is just range bound in a very tight range between 27.5 and a tight range of 25.8. That's what's happening. That is what is freaking happening to Bitcoin. So what can I say? It's just going to go sideways. Ethereum as well, not too much, going sideways. Other news, it looks like Bitcoin has been forming a descending wedge on the daily chart. We can see that. It is a bullish pattern. However, we are trending down. Remember, this is typically a bullish pattern, and we should break out of this, typically go up, but it looks like we're trending down. Only a breakout from the last lower high of 28.4 will confirm that we are likely to test a 31 area. So we definitely need to get above 28.4, as I said in previous videos. A clear breakout below the lows at the 25.3 level could bring significant chop and a significant drop. So 28.4, we definitely need to get above 28.4. If not, we're going to see a significant decline, a significant drop, guys. That's what's going on. But long term, Wendy Trend is your friend. Zoom out. If you don't believe me or don't get it, don't have time to try to convince you. Sorry. Look at the freaking trend. Here we go. 200K coming in next bull, guys. Binance continues to experience Bitcoin net outflows following the news of the SEC charges, recording the 8th largest net flow on record, minus 14K. So we're seeing that since Gary basically trumped up all this shocking SEC FUD, we're seeing that more Bitcoin is flowing off exchanges, flowing off Binance exchange. A lot of people are getting scared that Binance is going to not be around anymore. That's garbage. It's FUD. Okay? Binance USA is still okay. It's still there, still working. The only thing that you guys got to worry about is on ramp, off ramp. That's what's going on, guys. Don't like overthink stuff. Don't overthink. Don't get crazy out there. I gotta get some coffee. This is just the same. I'm gonna school you all out there. This is the same old freaking thing that happens every year. We get FUD, we get this, we get that, and we get peaks and valleys, and overall, it just goes up. Okay, guys, it just freaking goes up. So stop it. Stop living in the moment. Plan for the future. Keep calm. Don't be emotional about crypto, guys, because it'll drive you nuts. Looks like XRP remains above the 50-cent level after the SEC government sued Binance, Coinbase, while most altcoins dip. So, I think this is a sign, definitely a sign of strength for Ripple. And I believe that XRP is going to win their case against Gary. And when that happens, it's going to invalidate all the crap that Gary's been saying. XRP is going to pump. And then all these coins that Gary's been going after because, they're proof of stake, they are going to have a big resurgence. There's definitely going to be a big resurgence out there. That's what I think. Good news. Looks like Bitcoin has held the 200 weekly moving average as support. That is good. However, BTC is still below the weekly level of 26,700. And I did say 26,800, 26,700. This is a key support level. This is key. To avoid extra pressure on the 200 moving average, BTC needs a weekly close above the 27.6. That is key, because otherwise we could lose our 200-day moving average support, and that would not be good. So we're at 26,560 right now. So, from that perspective, we definitely need to get back up above 27,600. So we're fairly close. And we're about to close this weekly candle. So hopefully we can get above there. That would be good news out there. Very good news if we can do that. Bullish, you may ask. Well, we got this falling wedge. We're above the 200-day weekly average moving line, which is a blue line. That is cool, but we could lose that support if Bitcoin does not stay above 26,700, guys. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Leverage apes right now, 55 million. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. People are starting to short the crap out of Cardano because the SEC has got a bug in their bonnet for Cardano. But I know Charles, he's going to fight back. Old Charlie, big huggy bear out there. He's going to go to town on Gary, and he's going to talk blockchain tech so deep that Gary's going to be like, what is he talking about? What is he talking about? He's going to make Charles is going to make no sense to nobody. But Charles, if anybody has the moxie, the knowledge, and the cojones, and the temperament to go after Gary based on factoids, Charles can do it. So it looks like Charles might drill a new hole in Gary's brain pan out there, because you don't want to go against Charles. Because when it comes to tech, Charles, he's pretty arrogant, he's pretty aggressive, but he is smart. What's going on with Binance? Well, net worth 57 billion, and we have seen now that the amount of BNB that Binance is holding is they're actually reducing their BNB exposure. And remember, they are starting to buy more Bitcoin. They're picking up on Bitcoin, so this can be the bottom. Hey guys, did I tell you? If you got your crypto on a centralized exchange, you ain't safe. You ain't freaking safe. Get a freaking hardware wallet, guys. My link is down below. Bang, that link, and smash the likes, guys. And be part of the freaking conversation. Do that. It's absolutely free. If you don't get notifications, don't get any of that kind of stuff, go freaking to my Discord. The link is down below. And join. It's free. Be part of the conversation. What are you waiting for? Guys, here it is. Dogecoin, I love you. Crypto, I love you. And Elon Musk, love letters from OG. Cry havoc. Let the slip of the doges of war out there. So, he kind of tweeted this out like an hour ago. And since then, we're seeing the Doja Woja. We're seeing the Doja Woja is up right now. Pretty fantastic. It's up. And we are back above 7 cents. So that's fantastic. We're up 3.74%, 73%. That's 0.7034. Love it. Market cap's going up. So people are happy. People are freaking happy right now with the Doge, because we have fear and greed at 47. We have Elon Musk in our backseat. I love it, guys. Did we finally make it? We are so close. I've been saying we got it. We got back 7 cents. Thanks to Elon Musk. Hopefully, don't have the Elon Musk effect, and it just like goes back down. But I think we have a fighting chance. I mean, we did get as high as 0.71 out there. Loving it. So it's good. It's good. Thank you, Elon. We love you. Looking pretty good. 3.70. Who wouldn't want it? What's going on in terms of social sentiment right now for Doge? Where's my social sentiment? There it is. So we're seeing a little bit of resurgence in social sentiment for Doge. Engagements are down, though. But mentions are up, and social dominance is coming up. But if you take a look at the ranking in terms of social dominance, Dogecoin is at freaking 12. What happened with that? Not good. What's going on with PEP? Not much sideways action. Boring PEP. It's up 4.64% out there. For me, I got a small bag of PEP, but I'm not aping it. I'm not going nuts, guys. I'm not going nuts. Shiba Inu on the hand is not doing good. Shiba Inu is broken down below the 8,000 support. It's just below there. And guys, it's having a hard time. Shiba Inu is dead right now. People are just, we're seeing a lot of Shiba Inu whales liquidating their position. People are just getting tired of SHIB. I don't know what's going on with that. Nobody's in the money, 11%. OMG, guys. So, guys, be blessed, be well. Guys, don't forget to go follow me on my Twitter. I appreciate it. Follow what you're doing. If you're not following, you're not in the know. Get in the know. Guys, don't forget to check out all my links below. We got Dogecoin tippy jar. Send a tip our way. Buy a coffee. I appreciate it. We got some bonuses on some exchanges. Go check that out. Get the merch as always. Guys, be blessed, be well. Don't forget to give super chats. I appreciate it, guys. I love you all. Be well. Be blessed. It's Saturday here. Go to the grind. Go to the grind. Okay? I'll see you. I love it. Peace out.